Hello and welcome to SEO Science. Now let's get into focus on getting reviews. The significance of getting reviews in the purchasing process has become ingrained into a buyer's habit. According to Whitespark's Local Search Rankings Factor report, local reviews emerged as a prominent local search ranking factor in 2021. Putting effort into obtaining reviews and feedback from your customers can significantly improve your conversion rates. To streamline the process, you can leverage platforms designed to organize and manage review campaigns. Alternatively, a straightforward approach is to encourage customers to leave reviews on major online review sites. These tactics will help you accumulate more local reviews, bolstering your online reputation. It is equally crucial to respond to reviews, whether positive or negative. Not only is your response visible to the person who left the review, but it also impacts other local searchers who might come across the review in the future. Negative reviews in particular present an opportunity to engage with the customer and demonstrate your commitment to excellent service and customer care. Taking the time to respond shows that you genuinely care about your customers' experiences and can foster trust with potential future customers. If you like what you've seen and heard in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any further tips or advice. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.